Welcome to your new favorite vacation spot. Welcome to nonstop fun and excitement, found along every running step across the Whibbit water obstacle course and every jump into our 3 pools. Welcome to a whole new level of relaxation, where we find the start of a family tradition. Jellystone Park Columbus North is where we take a ride this season to an experience that redefines what's possible during a camping getaway to Central Ohio. From the moment you first toss a line in the fishing pond to every interaction with a friendly staff member that's here to help you have an incredible vacation, it becomes clear that the memories waiting to be made are the kind that make a summer truly special and the kind that keep us coming back season after season. So for your next camping getaway, choose a place that allows every moment to be filled with an endless supply of smiles and rolls out the red carpet to the great outdoors for your whole family. Jellystone Park Columbus North is waiting. Hit the road, point the GPS towards family fun, and come make a memory with us this season in Central Ohio.